Today, I'm going to answer a common question. Where do downloads go when I download something from the internet? In this Windows 11 tutorial today, I'm going to explain how you download files from the internet and how to easily access them. Please stay until the end because I have a free bonus for you. So let's get started. Where do downloads go? On Windows 11 computers, most things you download from the internet go into a folder called Downloads. The first place to look is in the circle with an arrow down. Here's one of my recent downloads here. I can either look at it in the folder or I can open it. I just want to show it in the folder. So this is my downloads folder and here's the banner. And that's the one. That's my YouTube banner. So that's one place you can find your downloads. They are saved automatically to the downloads folder right here. So another way, the second way you can find your downloads is to open the File Explorer with this yellow folder here. You open that, it brings up this screen, and on the left-hand side, you'll see downloads. So these are shortcuts, and these are shortcuts and not where the actual file lives, but it is a lot quicker way to get to what you downloaded. So I'm going to click on downloads, and here's my banner again right here. When I open that, it's the same thing. So there's two ways of finding your downloads. Now the third way, and where the actual file lives, is on the C drive. So you open this PC, go to Windows C, click on that, and then we're going to do users, click on that, and go on Trav, which was from my Travel 55 Plus email. So open that, and now here's the downloads. And there's the same banner. So that's the third way. So I want to explain how downloading files affects your storage on your computer. Since the file is stored on the C drive, it does take up space on your computer. But when you delete a file from the downloads folder, you're deleting the real file from the C drive and you're freeing up space on your hard drive. So that if you're running out of space on your C drive and you need more room for things, you'll do that. You'll delete a download, and that frees up more space for more downloads. So let's review what we learned today. One, downloads from the internet go into the downloads folder, and you can access that up here on the arrow and the circle, or you can access it down here on File Explorer, or you can go to your C drive and go the long route, users, name, downloads. I've put written instructions in a free download for you. You'll find the link below this video in the first pinned comment. Just click it when you're ready. You can print it or save it to the computer. Thanks for visiting my channel today. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment of other subjects that I could talk about that would be helpful to you. Windows 11 or anything else. I'd love to help you. So have a great day and thanks for coming.